how to check disk and bandwidth usage in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the left sidebar of your Plesk account, click the Statistics option. We can see disk space and disk usage by different services here. On the right side of this interface, you can see the data of traffic per month. The bandwidth usage by different services is also displayed here. It doesn't have data right now for bandwidth usage, but you may find it here. Below, you can view more detailed info on FTP statistics data transfer and web statistics. To see data transfer details, click on it. Now click on the View link corresponding to the domain name you want to view. It shows detailed information about usage limit and available bandwidth. It is the end of the tutorial.